Hello. It's Amanda, and I thought it would be really fun to go through each area of our home and share our non-toxic, healthy swap tips, okay? You hear me mention the word toxins a lot, and I think a lot of times we don't even realize what the toxins are that are all around us. And some of the first things we can do as we start learning about natural health and we're on this journey is we can start swapping out products in our home to make our homes healthier on a daily basis. And the room that I want to start with today is laundry room. And the reason I want to start there is it has been said for quite a few years now that actually fabric softener sheets are one of the most toxic products in a home, or the most toxic product in a home. I have not used fabric softener sheets in, I don't know, it's been 18 years whenever I bought the health food store. So it's been a very long time. So I kind of forget that, but they are still very common. We want our clothes to smell good. We want things to see fresh, but they are filled with so many toxic ingredients. And when we talk about toxic ingredients, these are ingredients and chemicals that are known carcinogens. Like, they do really bad things to our body. And another reason, we wanted to get rid of these toxins, it's, they cause a lot of sensitivities, allergies, respiratory issues. Major diseases can be caused by stuck toxins. A lot of our pain and inflammation is from stuck toxins in the body, and they're all around us. And so the more that we can do inside of our homes, and what I love about these swaps that I'm going to teach on these upcoming videos, is it can save you a lot of money. And that's really what I want you to understand as we go through this. And so anything that we're putting, washing our clothes with, putting in the air, it gets breathed in, it gets on our skin. We are seeing so many more people. I've had a few friends with children that are super sensitive to laundry soaps. They can't even sleep on sheets that have been washed in the really strong, some of the big name brand laundry soaps. Even if they're going to travel or stay with a grandparent, they have to take their own sheets washed in natural laundry soap. And this is becoming more serious. Like, just in the last couple of years, I know of a few children that carry EpiPens because they are so sensitive to the laundry soaps. And so why are we starting a laundry room? It's one of the easy ones to change out, and it's going to be so much healthier. And with pure essential oils, you actually can make your laundry smell really, really good. So if this is all brand new to you and you've never used a natural laundry soap, you've always been using fabric softeners and all these other kinds of things, I want to just start. The first thing I would do if you're going to make the switch to natural laundry soap, you want to use, look at this, it's super inexpensive, white vinegar. This is going to become one of your best friends as you begin swapping out toxins in your home. It can do a lot of great things. But the first thing I recommend, if you get your new laundry soap, natural, you're really sure it's clean ingredients, run a cup of vinegar through your washer and get it all cleaned out. I know years ago when I used the other laundry soaps, they would gunk up. You always had kind of a smell, and you had to clean your washer and your dryer regularly, like buildup would get on there. And since I've switched to natural, we don't see any of that anymore. We don't get the strange smells, anything like that. But if that ever does happen and you need to just clean it out, just do a cycle of vinegar through. The other thing is you can actually use vinegar as a fabric softener. And so you can literally put vinegar in and use that as your fabric softener. It's natural and it's super, super inexpensive. Okay. So that's tip number one. As you begin to kind of detox your laundry room, clean out that washer really well. And I would suggest really washing with just some white vinegar, some spray with lemon oil or On Guard oil. I would clean out the inside of your dryer really well also, because a lot of the laundry soaps have so much chemical and so much gunk in them, and it even sticks and stays in the dryer. So I would start by just giving them a really, really good cleaning, trying to get rid of all the other stuff that's been used in the past, get rid of the buildup that's there, and start fresh and clean with natural laundry soap. So our favorite in our house, my husband loves On Guard liquid. He prefers the liquid laundry soap. It has the On Guard essential oil in it. You do not have to use very much. This bottle right here says up to 64 loads. And in our high energy washer, we use even less than it says. And so we get more than 64 loads out of a bottle. And then it does have the little lid that you can fill. You just pour some in here if you want to measure it. And it really, like I said, you do not have to use a lot of it. It smells great. It's clean and fresh like On Guard. I know some people like it to smell even more. They might add extra On Guard. Extra lemon oil is a really powerful if you like more of the citrus, but we're also going to talk about how you can add some scents when you're drying. So this is the laundry soap we use. doTERRA also makes laundry pods. They do not have plastic in them. I just want to be very clear on that. They are not plastic. They biodegrade very quickly. They're not going to clog up your system. But the laundry pods also work. You just drop it right in. We just prefer liquid. That's what we're used to. That's what we like. So while I'm talking about this laundry soap, I also want to let you know that you can take this and you can actually, some people, maybe you're used to using like a pin or a stain stick. And if that's your preferred method for like extra getting stains out support, you actually can take a roller bottle. This is just a 10 mil. You can get like a 30 mil, a bigger roller bottle, and you can fill it. I do about 3/4 with the On Guard laundry soap. And then you just fill the rest with water, just a little bit of water so that it will roll on even better. And you can call this a stain stick. If you travel, you have kids, you're on the go, and you tend to get stains on your clothes often, you want to put something on them right away, you can actually put this right in your purse and you get a spot on your shirt, you could roll it right on so the stain does not set in, okay? So this can be used on the go, or you could keep it right by your washer and dryer if you prefer more of the stain stick or a pin or a roller. This is going to be your way to go. All it is On Guard laundry soap, a little bit of water on the top so it rolls out of the roller easy. Use it however you want for stains, okay? In our house, what we like to do with stains is we have just a stain spray. So we have the spray bottle, and this is also super easy, super inexpensive to make. And you have a couple of options with stain spray. Lemon. Lemon's probably the go-to for everything in cleaning and natural and all the things. So you can literally put 25 to 35 drops of lemon, depending on the size of your spray bottle. This is kind of a bigger one. You don't have to fill it full out of the gate if you don't want to. But 25 to 35 drops of lemon in this bigger size bottle. And then you're going to spritz it on your stains. And lemon oil, the reason I also wanted to mention lemon, it's really, really good by itself. This has been known to get out grease stains, even marker you write on a wall with a Sharpie. Hopefully no one's going to do that. But lemon oil is a really powerful stain, and it can be used just straight up if you have a spot on your clothes, grease, extra things you want to get out. Lemon, you can use it non-diluted as well. But you can put it in the spray bottle so you have a stain spray if that's what you're used to. Another oil that you can use to make a stain spray, I just had someone share this with me a few months ago, and I'm like, oh, that's such a good idea. And she was raving about how well it worked, and it's just an oil I hadn't thought of making a stain spray with, but it was abode oil. So she just took abode, put it with water, and that's the stain spray. And abode is a really powerful cleansing oil, just so you know what's in it. It has some lime oil, litsea, cassia, eucalyptus, tea tree, arbor vitae, cilantro, lavender, and lemon myrtle. And it's a very, very like clean, purifying smell, but a lot of powerhouse oils. So this can work very well as a laundry spray. The next thing I want to talk about, we want smell, right? Fabric softener sheets. They, like we said, they are not good. They heat up, the chemicals come out even more. They stay on your clothes that you're then putting right on your skin. So one of the easiest swaps, save you so much money. Like think of the things you no longer have to buy. You don't have to buy fabric softener. You don't have to buy fabric softener sheets. Like look at this as a way to truly save money, but you're really doing the most important thing and making your home a lot healthier for yourself and the people that live in it, right? So dryer balls. Do you guys know about wool dryer balls? These are so easy to use. They're made out of wool, and you just literally, we keep the oil Purify. It's another really concentrated one, a lot like abode, actually, some similar oils, but we really like Purify. We keep this down by our dryer, and you just put a couple of drops. And we have 3 laundry balls right now. One's missing, and we probably need to replace these, but just a couple drops on a couple of the laundry balls, the wool balls, and then you just throw them in with your clothes to dry. And what's also really great about this is it's non-toxic. It makes your clothes smell good. And you can use lavender. You can use any scent that you like on these dryer balls. It's totally up to you. It's your personal preference, okay? But then when you put these laundry roller or wool balls in the dryer with your clothes, it actually can help your clothes dry faster. And it can also cut down on the static in the clothes. And so it's a really smart thing to do. People have done this in natural for a very long time, just because you don't have to run the electricity as often, helps the clothes dry better. Plus, then you add your few drops of oil and you get the nice, beautiful scent of clean laundry that you want. And you get used to the more natural scents versus the really toxic, overpowering, strong scents that we know are not good for us, right? They disrupt our hormones and all the things we talked about earlier. So these are a few of my favorite laundry swaps for the laundry room. It's a great room to start with in your house. And just remember, as you're beginning this journey of removing toxins from your home, from your body, just it's a process and it's a journey. And that's why I want to break these videos up into series as we go throughout the home and look at the different options. And I can show you what we use. We know it works. We know a lot of other people that use it, and just how easy it can be. And don't think you have to do everything at once, but grab the ingredients you need, start, and just take that step to reduce these toxins. And you will be amazed how much cleaner even like your washer and your dryer stay. And then just how much better you feel because you're not smelling fake scents all the time that are synthetics. Thank you for tuning in. I would love to hear your favorite laundry swaps, what you like to use, what change you plan to make. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.